friends! Welcome back to our Kids Hour channel. Do you know the days of the week? Let's learn them. Day 1, Sunday. First is Sunday. Let's spell it together. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Day 2, Monday. Next is Monday. Spell with me. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Day 3, Tuesday. Now comes Tuesday. Ready? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Day 4, Wednesday. Here's a tricky one. Let's do it slowly. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Day 5, Thursday. Next is Thursday. Say it loud. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Day 6, Friday. Yay! Almost the weekend. It's Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Day 7, Saturday. And finally, we have Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Great job, friends! Now you know all 7 days of the week and how to spell them. Let's say them one more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can keep learning together. See you next time on our Kids Hour channel. Bye!